Today we discuss about the teeth. Teeth is very important part of our body. It help in uh, nutrition in animal, also in humans. Teeth is found in every animals mostly. Food is chewed with the help of teeth, and teeth break down the food into a smaller particles to make it easier to digest. This process is known as the mechanical digestion of the food. Teeth is the part of digestive system. Now let's discuss. Teeth are mainly four types. Number one is incisor, number two is canine, number three is premolar, and four is molar. There are four types of teeth. First incisor, second canine, three premolar, and four molar. With the help of these types of teeth, the animals and human also chew the food, change into a small pieces of the food. Now let's see. Number one is incisor. Incisor, this is the front view. See the image, look at the image. This is the front view of the incisor teeth. These teeth are found in front of the mouth and are shaped like a chisel for cutting and biting the food. There are a total number of 8 incisors. After looking the figure, you can say that this is the more developed in the herbivorous animal, because herbivorous animal depend on plants and eat only plant as a food, and these teeth help to cutting, help to better cutting and biting the food in the front. Second is canine. They are sharp teeth found next to the incisors, and it helps to tear and purse the food. It is more developed in the carnivorous animal, because carnivorous animal depend on the flesh. It catch the prey and they tear the body of the other animals by the help of the canines. There are a total of 4 canines on either side of the incisor in humans. With the help of the canines, the carnivorous animal take food easily and get energy and can survive in the environment. See, this is in top, it is pointed and more dangerous. Number third is premolar. Premolar, these are bored, flat, structured teeth used for crushing the food particles into very fine particles. These are a total of 8 premolars in humans. Next is molar. Molar, these are found at the back of the jaw. They are broad and flat surfaces and strong roots. Molars are used for grinding and chewing the food particles. There are a total of 12 molars in humans. This is the board portion. Above is board portion. This is the root portion of the teeth which is inside the gum, and by the help of these four teeth, incisor, canine, premolar and molars, humans and animals take food and convert into a small pieces for the digestion, and by the help of these types of teeth, digestion occur easily. And this is the very important parts of our digestive system which is found in our mouth. These are the four important parts: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Other two types of teeth are temporary teeth and permanent teeth. The appearance of the first tooth in infants is called teething, T-E-E-T-H-I-N-G, and infants start teething when they are about 4 to 7 months old. The first set of 20 teeth formed is called temporary teeth or milk teeth. At the ages of 6 years, the temporary teeth start falling off gradually and making way for the permanent set of teeth. After the permanent set of the teeth, no any more teeth develop, and an adult human being has a set of 32 teeth. The upper and lower jaws in the mouth have 16 teeth each. There are 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars and 6 molars in each jaw. This is the total number of teeth found in humans. Remind once: first incisor, second canine, third is premolar, fourth is molar, and other types of teeth in human. First is temporary teeth or milk teeth, which developed 4 to 7 months old, and second permanent teeth, which developed after the falling of milk teeth or temporary teeth. Now we discuss about the structure of the teeth in human. There are 3 layers of teeth in human. First is enamel, which is white in color, and this is the hardest part of the human body. This is white in color. After the enamel, the second layer of the teeth is called dentine. The dentine is the second layer below the enamel, and third layer of the teeth is pulp cavity. This is the space, cavity, open space, which contain nerves and blood vessels, and nerves provide the nutrients, oxygen to the teeth. So these are the 3 layers: enamel, dentine, pulp cavity, which contain nerves and blood vessels. Okay. Teeth has 2 parts. Listen carefully. Teeth has 2 parts. The above the gum, which can seen easily, which is white in color, this portion is called crown, C-R-O-W-N, crown. And below the crown, the inside the gum, the part of the teeth, second part of the teeth is called this portion. is called root. This portion is crown, and below the crown inside the gum part of the teeth is called root. This is root, crown and root, and layer is 3 layers: enamel, dentine, pulp cavity, which contain nerve and plus blood vessels. Due to some bad habit, due to careless about the teeth, many diseases occur and in the teeth, and the teeth are start to decay. Tooth cavity also occur. To prevent the teeth, because it is very important part of the body, we should care, and we should remind some we should use some techniques to protect the teeth. For example, you brush daily 2 times, morning and before the sleeping, the teeth. After using milk, after taking drink milk, you must wash your mouth with what?